Schools across central Indiana are facing challenges daily trying to remain open and avoid spreading COVID-19. Our Nicole Griffin is in Hancock County tonight, where one school district is finding a way to quickly isolate students with symptoms. It's a solution that is now benefiting a local business.
Did you wash your hands today? Are you washing your hands before you eat? Are you wearing your mask?
This is the conversation Ashley Lusby has with her two children who attend Mount Vernon Community Schools.
There is not a day that goes by that I don't think I remind them of the situation, not in a way that creates fear, but in a way that just encourages them.
One of her daughters is in 8th grade at Mount Vernon Middle School. According to the state's COVID-19 dashboard, 5 students at her school have tested positive for the coronavirus this year. Right now, Lusby's biggest fear is
having to go back into quarantine, or for my middle schooler to miss out on middle school sports and activities.
Leaders at Mount Vernon Middle School say teachers and students have responded well to expectations like social distancing, wearing masks, and sanitizing. When someone does show symptoms, they utilize this new temporary quarantine room.
Middle school, due to the unique size and how tight it is in their clinic, we needed space for multiple quarantine rooms.
So therefore, when we have a student who has COVID-like symptoms, flu-like symptoms, and they need to go home, we can quickly isolate them.
Hamilton Exhibits, based out of Indianapolis, started developing the rooms after seeing a need for schools to safely reopen. The marketing company specializes in trade shows and has been hit hard by the pandemic.
These are offered at cost. So Hamilton is not making any profit on these. It is simply to keep our people employed and to do a good service and get businesses and schools. Let's get this economy back up.
Lusby says knowing that the temporary quarantine room is available to help reduce the spread of the virus eases some of her stress and anxiety when it comes to her child's safety.
Being able to immediately separate someone, you can't really replace that because we don't have the building space to dedicate an entire room to a situation like that.
Working for you in Hancock County, Nicole Griffin, WRTV.
According to Mount Vernon Community Schools' health and safety plan for COVID-19, if the combined student and staff absentee rate hits 20%, county health officials may move school to virtual learning for a short time. According to the district's COVID-19 tracker, out of more than 4,900 students and staff members, about half of 1% have tested positive since August 17th, the first day of school.